Hey, what's up everyone? It's Abiona here. Welcome to the channel. How many of you actually learned about personal finance in school? Yeah, me neither. In this video, we're breaking down essential money skills for teens and young adults. Whether you're in high school, figuring out college, or just starting to earn your own money, these tips are crucial for financial success. So let's jump right in.
All right, let's start with the basics. These skills are essential for everyone, no matter your age or background. Even if you're still in high school, it's never too early to get a grip on your finances. Understanding money management now will set you up for a successful future. The first thing you need to understand is the concept of saving. Saving money is the foundation of financial stability. Think of it this way. Every dollar you save is like a little worker bee, working for you 24/7 to make more money. It's a simple yet powerful concept, and the easiest way to start saving is by opening up a high-yield savings account. These accounts offer better interest rates than regular savings accounts. They pay you a higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts, meaning your money actually grows while it sits there. Next up is investing, which can be a game changer. Investing is basically buying a small piece of something you believe in, like a company or a piece of real estate, and hopefully, that piece goes up in value over time, making you more money. It's a way to make your money work for you. Just remember to do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. It's important to be informed and cautious. Now let's talk about managing expenses. Create a budget. A budget helps you keep track of your money and ensures you don't overspend. Track your income and expenses for a month. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation. You'll be surprised how much you can save just by being aware of where your money's going. Awareness is the first step to financial freedom.
All right, now let's talk about building credit, something that's absolutely crucial once you become a young adult. It's one of those things that can significantly impact your financial future. Your credit score is basically like your financial GPA. It's a 3-digit number that tells lenders how risky it is to lend you money. The higher the score, the better your chances of getting approved for loans and credit cards. A good credit score is your golden ticket to getting approved for loans, apartments, and even better interest rates, which can save you thousands of dollars over time. It can also affect your ability to get a job or rent a car. So, how do you even start building credit? Well, one of the easiest ways is with a secured credit card. This type of card requires a cash deposit that serves as your credit limit. This type of card is specifically designed for people with little to no credit history. It's a great way to start building your credit from scratch. Just make sure to pay your balance in full and on time every month, and this will help you build a positive credit history. Late payments can seriously hurt your score. Speaking of paying on time, this is probably the most important factor in determining your credit score. Setting up automatic payments can help ensure you never miss a due date. Another important thing to understand is credit utilization. This is the ratio of your credit card balances to your credit limits. Ideally, you want to keep it below 30%. This shows lenders that you are not overly reliant on credit. Start building your credit as early as possible and make sure you're using it responsibly. Over time, this will open up more financial opportunities for you.
College. It's a time for learning, exploring, and unfortunately, often struggling with money. Many students find themselves constantly worrying about their finances, but it doesn't have to be that way. With a few simple budgeting tips, you can totally rock your college years without constantly worrying about your bank account. Imagine enjoying your college experience without the stress of financial woes. The first step is to track your expenses. Knowing where your money goes is crucial. Are you spending most of it on takeout, textbooks, late-night pizza runs? Identifying these patterns can be eye-opening. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, you can start looking for areas to cut back. Small changes can make a big difference. Next, it's time to distinguish between needs and wants. This is a critical step in managing your budget effectively. Needs are your essentials, things like rent, food, and tuition. Wants are everything else. Prioritizing your needs ensures you cover the basics first. Now, I'm not saying you can never treat yourself, but but it's all about balance. Enjoying small treats occasionally is fine, as long as it fits within your budget. And speaking of needs, let's talk about textbooks. They can be a significant expense. Consider renting them, buying used copies, or even looking for online versions. These options can save you a lot of money. Another easy way to save money in college is by taking advantage of student discounts. Many places offer discounts just for showing your student ID. And finally, if you're really struggling to make ends meet, don't be afraid to get a part-time job. It can provide you with extra income and valuable work experience.
And there you have it, guys. Those are my top financial tips for teens and young adults. Remember, mastering your money is a journey, not a sprint. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.